Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Edwarriors Vlog-torial. For today's episode, we will discuss about triangle inequalities in one triangle, particularly on illustrating triangle inequality theorems in one triangle, identifying the sides and the angles of a given triangle from least to greatest or vice versa, and applying triangle inequalities theorem given a triangle. Are you now ready? Please consider this figure. Triangle CAT whose unequal sides can be arranged in this order. CT is greater than TA, greater than AC. Since CT is equal to 10, TA is equal to 8, and AC is equal to 7. Now, look at the measures of the angle opposite these sides. Observe that the opposite angles are also unequal in the same order as that of the sides. Our measure of angle A is greater than the measure of angle C, greater than the measure of angle T. Because measure of angle A is equal to 85 degrees, measure of angle C is 55 degrees, and measure of angle T is 40 degrees. Knowing all this is very important as we go along with our topic theorems on triangle inequalities such as unequal sides theorem, unequal angles theorem, triangle inequality theorem, and exterior angle inequality theorem. Unequal sides theorem. Unequal sides theorem states that if one side of a given triangle is longer than the second, then the angle opposite the longer side is larger than the side opposite the second side. Now consider this example. Arrange the angles in descending order. Descending means from largest to smallest angle. By Theorem 1, since side BU measures 14 units, which is the longest side, then the angle opposite it, which is angle S, is the largest angle. Also, since side BS is the shortest side that measures 8 units, then the angle opposite, which is angle U, is the smallest angle. Hence, measure of angle S is greater than the measure of angle B, greater than the measure of angle U. Unequal angles theorem. Unequal angles theorem states that if one angle of a given triangle is larger than the second angle, then the side opposite the larger angle is longer than the side opposite the second. Now consider this example. Arrange the sides in descending order. Descending means from longest to the shortest side. To get the measure of angle L, recall that the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So, the measure of angle L is equal to 180 degrees minus the quantity 70 degrees plus 85 degrees. Now, angle L is equal to 180 degrees minus 155 degrees, and that is equal to 25 degrees. Therefore, angle L is 25 degrees. By Theorem 2, since angle L is the smallest angle, BG, the side opposite, is the shortest side. Also, since angle G is the largest angle, BL, which is the side opposite, is the longest side. Hence, BL is greater than GL, greater than BG. Triangle inequality theorem. Triangle inequality theorem states that in any triangle, the sum of the lengths of any two sides is greater than the length of the third side. Now consider this example. Can a triangle be constructed with sides of length 12 centimeters, 24 centimeters, and 18 centimeters? By Theorem 3, check the sum of the two shortest segments. Is 12 plus 18 greater than 24? Yes, you're right, because 12 plus 18 is equal to 30, and 30 is greater than 24. How about this? Is 12 plus 24 greater than 18? Yes, you're right, because 12 plus 24 is 36, and 36 is greater than 18. But how about this? Is 18 plus 24 greater than 12? Yes, you're right, because 18 plus 24 is equal to 42, and 42 is greater than 12. Therefore, a triangle whose length has 12 centimeters, 24 centimeters, and 18 centimeters can form a triangle. Now, consider this triangle whose sides has length of 4 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 11 centimeters. By Theorem 3, let us check one by one. 6 plus 11 is greater than 4. 6 plus 11 is equal to 17, so 17 is greater than 4, and that is true. Next, we have 4 plus 11 is greater than 6. 4 plus 11 is 15, and 15 is greater than 6. That is also true. And we also have 6 plus 4 is greater than 11. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, but 10 is not greater than 11, which makes the statement false. Therefore, a triangle whose length is 4 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 11 centimeters cannot construct a triangle. Exterior angle inequality theorem. Exterior angle inequality theorem states that any exterior angle is greater than both any of the non-adjacent interior angles. Now consider this example. An exterior angle of a triangle is the angle formed between any side of the triangle and an external extensions of the adjacent side. The remote interior angles are the angles in the interior of the triangle that do not form a linear pair with the corresponding exterior angle. In the given figure, angle MKI is an exterior angle. So, the measure of angle MKI is greater than the measure of angle A, and at the same time, the measure of angle MKI is greater than the measure of angle M. Alright! I know you have learned something in our discussion today. Now, let us check your understanding. Use the theorems of triangle inequalities to justify the following. I will give you 1 minute to answer. And if you hear the sound, meaning time is up. Are you now ready? Your time starts now. Alright, time is up. Now let us check your answers together. For number 1,
Angle A greater than angle M greater than angle I.
for number 2,
RT greater than TY greater than RY.
and for number 3,
The answer is no because it is false when 4 plus 2 greater than 8.
how many correct answers did you get? If you got 3 out of 3, congratulations. But if you got lower than 3, study harder. And that ends our episode of Edwarriors Vlog-torials. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye!